What are the things that you copied and what are the things that you believed about you that is preventing you to become that empowering person who can engage and encourage another person to be empowered?
Please join me in welcoming the radiant influencer, Miss Tony Miranda.
Have you ever experienced yourself journeying with your co-employees or colleagues in your office? Do you feel that, yes, I'm part of their life or journeying? Or have you ever experienced being a victim of the decisions made by the people around you? Are you able to keep the best people in your organization? Yeah? Andito ba ang mga best people in your organization? Patingin nga, raise your hand. Woohoo! Yeah? Are you able to keep them? Yes, andito pa sila. Or, are you losing them? Are you losing the best people in your organization? Worse is, are you losing money? Is your team engaged? This is a survey based on Gallup that it says here that 23% of the employees are engaged worldwide. Are you curious to find out how many percent sa Philippines? Any guess? Can you shout it out? If 23% ang worldwide, how much are we that engaged in our office? Any guess? Can you shout it out? 10, 5, 50, 80, or 18? So this is according to survey. Yeah, 31%. Is that high or low? Low. Yeah? Is that high or low? Low. So we won't say better kasi 23%. No, we're not looking at sabi natin worldwide. We wanted to consider also us as Filipinos. Aren't Filipinos very engaging? Let's just face the reality that we may have been focusing on people engagement and not people experience. We may be focusing on training that will develop only the exterior, but not on the heart set and people skills. People skills and heart skills. And today, we will have an idea how to somehow correct it, improve it, so we can grow our engagement to even 100%. We all make mistakes. Do you? But is it enough reason for you not to engage? So when I have not met Jesus as my Lord and Savior, I was full of shame and guilt. So I use engagement to use people. I use engagement for my ambition. Sinayang ko yung the most important person in my life. My daughter, my son, my husband, my parents, and all those who I encounter with every day. Today, from my heart, I'm just so excited to encourage you to reset. 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 Because every day is a choice to inspire and encourage people no matter what you did in the past. Okay ba yon? So if I had that opportunity to reset, embrace the Lord in my heart and, put away all the pride, confessed, repented, and began to love again, parang team song, no? To love again, I believe you also can do that. Okay? So, another reminder to your seatmate, sabi mo, may pag-asa ka pa. May pag-asa ka pa. Okay? Sorry naman. Of course, ang tawag doon encouragement. O syempre, you have to own it. May pag-asa rin ako. Let's all decide to reset. That whatever happened in the past, you still have chance to change. That alone helps remind us that we cannot give from an empty cup. We need to be engaged first before we can ask another person to engage, right? we need to be inspired with ourselves first before we inspire others. We need to understand ourselves first before we understand others. So start with self-awareness, have programs that will help them have self-awareness, and then they will be humble enough na, yung pala ako, already na ako magpa-train. Self-development, ano bang kailangan kong matutunan? Gusto kong mag-attend. Until they learn how to lead themselves, and when you can lead yourself, you can lead others. Do you agree? So after this, eto mangyayari. A multiplier is someone who has what? A multiplier is someone who has self-mastery. So we need that so that when we can now master our emotion, when we now understand our hang-ups, when we now understand the root cause of our stressors, our triggers, we can now what? Conquer. Conquer what? Engagement barrier. Today, we are choosing ACE because you know that you are designed to love God and love others. You know that you are designed to create an impact. And you know that you have the opportunity and you can make a difference in this, sabi nating, disengaged community. Okay, so this is Tony Miranda. Thank you so much for engaging with me. Let's all inspire, influence, and create positive impact so we all become extraordinary inside and out. Thank you so much, everyone.